All right, we're gonna do a medicine ball circuit. So the idea is that the weight of the medicine ball is actually on the lighter side, and we're gonna work for a longer work period and shorter rest period, just continuously. So we've got a list of several exercises that we're gonna run through. This is actually gonna be a workout that we're gonna do, but we can use segments of it throughout in different aspects too. So we're gonna start off with the medicine ball. We're gonna go shouldered reverse lunges. So we're gonna keep the elbow up high, and whatever side we're shouldered on is gonna be the side that steps back. So again, it's just gonna be a light weight, but we're gonna work for a longer period of time. So we're shouldered on the right, we're gonna step back on the right side to reverse lunges, keeping the elbow up nice and high, keeping the shoulder or the torso up. We're gonna step back. We're gonna make sure that we keep the front foot flat on the ground, 90-degree bend in the front knee, and a nice long wide step back. So we're gonna shoulder on the right, and then we're gonna shoulder on the left. Same thing, stepping back with the left leg into a good reverse lunge, a nice tall posture, shoulders back, front foot flat, front hip and knee at 90 degrees. Then we're gonna go into thruster throws. So we're gonna take the medicine ball, we're gonna get set up so that the palms are facing each other, fingertips up. Nice good squat, so keeping the weight in the heels. And then as we stand, we're gonna throw the ball and then catch it and drop back into the squat. So instead of holding on to the weight as we would in a thruster, we're just gonna release it up and catch it on the way down, all right? Then we're gonna go into wood choppers. So I'm gonna take the ball, we're gonna start at the hip. We're gonna pivot on the foot that's opposite of where the weight is, and then we're gonna come overhead and then back down nice and quick. So notice that you're gonna switch which foot pivots, but we're gonna keep the arms locked in one spot. So we're gonna pivot and rotate, pivot and rotate. We're not reaching down and we're not coming up and pressing. So think about a slight bend in the elbows, but not letting that bend change throughout the movement. From the side, it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna do right side and then left side. So half of the X and then the other half. Then we're gonna go to a Zercher squat. So we're gonna keep the elbows up high again. We want the medicine ball to sit right along, right in between the biceps, keeping the elbows up, nice good squats, keeping the heels down, and then extending the hips and the knees at the top, making sure that we drop the hips to the height of the knees on each rep. And then we're gonna finish up. We're gonna take the ball, place it behind the head or behind the upper back. We're gonna keep the elbows up high, and then we're gonna hinge at the hips for weighted good mornings. So we're just gonna keep the weight up on the upper back, letting the elbows stay high, making sure that the shins stay vertical, slight bend in the knee, and then standing all the way up again at the top. All right. Check out the comments for the timing interval.